What if I told you that there are structures in space so massive they could house entire civilizations? What if I told you that these cosmic constructions are engineering marvels that dwarf anything humans have ever built? And what if I told you that some of these impossible megastructures might already be under construction by alien civilizations right now, and we're just beginning to detect them? Welcome back to AltCtrlZ, where we explore the most mind-bending mysteries of our universe. Today, we're diving into something that will make you question everything you thought you knew about what's possible in space. We're talking about alien megastructures, cosmic constructions so advanced they seem like science fiction, but might actually be science fact. But before we explore these impossible cosmic engineering projects, smash that like button if you're ready to discover structures that could change our understanding of alien civilizations. And don't forget to subscribe to AltCtrlZ for more reality-shattering space revelations. Picture this. It's October 2015. NASA's Kepler Space Telescope is scanning the cosmos for planets when it detects something that shouldn't exist. A star called KIC 846-2852, now known as Tabby star, is behaving in a way that breaks every law of astrophysics we know. Normal stars dim by maybe 1% when a planet passes in front of them. But this star, it's dimming by up to 22% in completely irregular patterns. Something massive, something impossibly massive, is blocking its light. The scientific community goes into overdrive. Solar flares? No. Comet swarms? Impossible. Instrument malfunction? The data is rock solid. Then, Dr. Jason Wright from Penn State University suggests something that sends shockwaves through the astronomy world. What if this is evidence of an alien megastructure? But Tabby's star isn't alone. Across the galaxy, we're discovering more and more cosmic anomalies that conventional science can't explain. Strange radio signals, bizarre dimming patterns, and energy signatures that seem to defy the laws of physics. But wait, there's something even more terrifying. What if these aren't just random anomalies? What if they're evidence of a Type 2 alien civilization that's been constructing massive structures around stars for thousands of years? To understand alien megastructures, we need to dive into something called the Kardashev Scale, a method for measuring how advanced an alien civilization might be based on their energy consumption. And trust me, this is where the story gets absolutely mind-blowing. A Type 1 civilization can harness all the energy of their home planet. That's roughly where humanity is heading in the next few centuries. A Type 2 civilization can harness all the energy of their star. And a Type 3 civilization can harness the energy of an entire galaxy. Now here's where it gets insane. To become a Type 2 civilization, an alien species would need to construct what's called a Dyson Sphere, a massive structure that completely surrounds their star to capture 100% of its energy output. Imagine a shell the size of Earth's orbit around the sun, but completely solid. That's 186 million miles in diameter. The amount of material needed would require dismantling entire planets, maybe even multiple planets. We're talking about an engineering project that would take thousands of years to complete. But here's the truly mind-bending part. A complete Dyson Sphere might be impossible to build. So instead, advanced civilizations might construct what's called a Dyson swarm. Millions of massive solar collectors orbiting their star in complex patterns. Now, here's where AltCtrlZ gets really interesting. These structures would create very specific signatures that we could detect from Earth. They would cause irregular dimming patterns as the swarm orbits the star. They would emit infrared radiation as they convert starlight into energy. And they would create radio signals as different parts of the swarm communicate with each other. What do you think would happen if we confirmed that alien megastructures are real? Drop your most shocking prediction in the comments below. But Dyson spheres aren't the only type of alien megastructure that might exist. There are Alderson disks, massive ring-shaped structures around stars that could provide living space for trillions of beings. There are O'Neill cylinders, rotating habitats that could house entire civilizations in space. And there are even theoretical structures called matryoshka brains, computers the size of stars that could support digital civilizations. The most terrifying possibility? Some of these structures might not just be for energy collection or living space. They might be weapons. A sufficiently advanced civilization could use a Dyson Sphere to create a stellar laser capable of destroying entire star systems. Now let me share some facts about alien megastructures that will absolutely blow your mind and make you question everything you thought you knew about what's possible in space. Fact number 1. Tabby star isn't the only mysterious object we've found. There's also KC-1255b, a planet that's being slowly consumed by its star, creating a massive tail of debris. Some scientists think this might be evidence of a civilization mining their star for materials to build megastructures. But here's the question that will keep you awake at night. How many of these cosmic construction projects are happening right now without us knowing? Fact number 2. The amount of energy a Dyson Sphere could capture is absolutely staggering. Our sun produces 3.8 times 10 to the power of 26 watts of energy. A complete Dyson Sphere could capture all of that energy, enough to power a civilization with quadrillions of inhabitants for billions of years. Fact number 3. Some alien megastructures might be so advanced that they're basically invisible to us. A civilization that's mastered nanotechnology could build structures for materials we can't even detect. They could be constructing massive projects right in our solar system, and we'd never know. But wait, there's something even more terrifying that scientists recently discovered. Fact number 4. Radio telescope arrays around the world have detected something called fast radio bursts. Incredibly powerful radio signals that last only milliseconds but contain more energy than our sun produces in 24 hours. Some scientists think these might be the exhaust signatures of alien spacecraft using our stars as refueling stations. Here's where it gets really scary. What if these fast radio bursts aren't random natural phenomena? What if they're actually communication signals between different alien megastructures across the galaxy? What do you think they might be saying to each other? Share your theories in the comments. And here's fact number 5 that will absolutely shock you. The materials needed to build a Dyson Sphere would require dismantling multiple planets. If aliens are building these structures, they're essentially consuming entire solar systems. This means that advanced civilizations might be cosmic-scale strip miners, turning planets into raw materials for their megaprojects. But the most terrifying fact of all, if alien megastructures exist, their builders are so far ahead of us technologically that we're like ants trying to understand a nuclear power plant. We might be living in a galaxy full of cosmic construction projects, and we're too primitive to even recognize them. Now let's talk about what alien megastructures could mean for the future of humanity. And trust me, this is where the story gets truly mind-bending and potentially terrifying. If alien civilizations are building Dyson Spheres and other megastructures, it means they've mastered engineering on a scale that's almost incomprehensible. They can move planets, harness the power of stars, and construct objects millions of miles across. But here's the truly chilling scenario. What if these civilizations see our solar system as raw materials for their next project? What if they're already planning to dismantle our planets to build their own megastructures? We could be living in a cosmic construction zone without even knowing it. Scientists have calculated that a civilization building a Dyson Sphere would need to consume approximately 2 times 10 to the power of 30 kilograms of material. That's roughly the mass of Jupiter. If they're building multiple megastructures, they need to consume entire star systems. What if the reason we haven't made contact with alien civilizations is because they're all too busy with massive construction projects? What if the galaxy is full of civilizations that are so focused on building megastructures that they don't care about primitive species like us? What if alien megastructures aren't just for energy or living space? What if they're weapons designed to destroy other civilizations? And remember, while you're looking up at the stars tonight, some of those points of light might not be stars at all. They might be massive construction projects built by civilizations so advanced that we can barely comprehend their engineering achievements. Thanks for watching AltCtrlZ, and I'll see you in the next Cosmic Revelation.